Good morning. How are we doing this morning? Look at my hair in the background, but how are we doing this morning? I am getting ready to go to my Mian's grandmother's birthday lunch. As always, we go to Mandarin. We go to Mandarin every single year. She loves it. To be honest, I say like, I've been to Mandarin every single year. Like, I've been like, I think I've been like 5 times. But still, that's a lot for someone who has never been. For my UK, US, everybody who's not Canada, Mandarin is a big Chinese buffet chain. To be honest, like I've said it before, I don't love Chinese food here. I don't think it's nice. Yeah, I don't like the taste of it here. It just doesn't do anything for me. But anyways, I woke up this morning and it's giving Mare City. I'm trying to get my friend to CRA to sort out my tax things, and this is what you hear in the background. I'm pointing to the CRA and my former employers. I'm going to say they messed it up because it wasn't me. I filed everything correctly and they failed to do what they needed to do on their side. And now they're like, oh, you owe a payment, but really and truly I don't. So I'm like, I'm not paying anything because at the end of it, look how long it's taking me to sort something out. Now look, like, then are you gonna refund me right there on the spot? Like, what's going on? And she's like, oh, ask your tax guy. I'm like, I filled it on World Simple. My taxes are quite uncomplicated right now. So I'm just like, all right, like, well, I don't need to hire someone. Well, maybe I do, because clearly, right, if I need advice, who do I go to? Ghostbusters? Like, who the hell do I go to? So that's what I'm realizing now, that I need advice. Like, I need fiscal advice. Wild. But anyways, I'm trying to get ready. It's giving chaos. Okay, and then on top of me, okay, and me trying to get to the CRA, 3 hours. They're saying it's a 3-hour wait, which is wild to me, but go off, I guess. I've got no hot water. I'm trying to get in touch for my taxes because the payment, they're saying, oh, payment Monday. I'm like, that's not what I want to do. She's like, oh, I can't advise, the CRA can't advise on what to do. I'm like, so what the f are you here for? Sorry, excuse my language. Like, what can you do? Like, tell me what you can do. Because literally it's giving like you can't do anything, yet you're the one demanding me of this money. So how are you a tax person but you can't help?
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing.
Wear like right now, which is very, very annoying because I had so much time. Like, if I had figured out what to wear earlier, I would have been Gucci. So I'm wearing double denim. It seems a bit odd. It feels a bit odd. It looks odd on this camera. Richard said that it looks fine. I don't know. Like, I'm in two minds, but at the same time, I don't have time to be like lamenting on this. Like, it's time for me to go. I need to do a quick outfit of the day and then I need to go. And I need to go get flowers, a card, and then I need to Uber over there. This is my outfit of the day. I don't love it, but it is what it is.
More than emotionally invested, showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage, yeah. Hold the beat.
Everyone, what is up? It was a long day, okay? Lunch took far longer than we anticipated, and we ended up hanging out with his family for a lot longer. We then came home, like, and now like hung out a little bit with Richard. Sorry, I even changed, and then we're going to a little dispensary. Mom, Dad, block your eyes, block your little eyes, cause Zoe's going on a trip. I'm done. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go and walk because we've eaten so much today. And we just feel like we need like just a moment to just like walk it out. Walk it out. Title: I'm now a travel blogger because these mans are making me walk. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I can't walk any longer. Might just have to piggyback. Someone's gonna have to carry me on their shoulders.
I regret the walk.
Oh, why? Tell us more. Why do you regret the walk?
I'm just out.
Because it's just far.
I'm thinking of walking.
I think I'm gonna hop on a bus, to be honest. Because I can't do the walk back. The walk there is like struggling. Help me out. Father, look, I have bodyguards. For context, my dad calls my boyfriend my bodyguard. Because it's just like, he's always there in your videos. I'm like, yeah, that's what happens when you're in a relationship. You're kind of together. And who lives? Be put your way. Be focused on walking. Because walking and talking, ooh, it's difficult. They're having a good old chin wag. They don't care about me at all. Look at them. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and we are heading out to do what? Spend time with Lorenzo's family. We're going to, well, don't watch my wig. I'm trying to get this situated on my head. It's not trying to be situated, that's the issue. I'm just like, I'm trying to force you to do something you don't want to do. It doesn't want to situate on my head. Say goodbye to it, because honestly, she served her time upon my head and she needs to tap in her next, like, her partner. So, yeah. I'm just going to put a headband because honestly, what am I doing with this out? You know, what am I doing with it out? So I'm just going to put on a headband. Headbands have become my everyday staple for when I can't be bothered to do my hair. And honestly, oh, chef's kiss, man. Because I don't want to do my hair often. Like straightening it track by track is mad long. But yeah, see, look how it just cleans me up. Like, where are we going? You know? And my makeup, I've kind of done like a half face makeup. So below here there's no foundation, no nothing, but like my chin, there's concealer, here. So I've kind of done like a half job, just because like today I don't think I'm gonna be out for long, so I'm just like, I don't want to waste makeup and like put on a full beat. Like, let me just put on like a halfy beat and then go from there. So that's me for today. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna wear my baggy jeans today because I'm wearing like my black bodysuit. So I'm gonna put on my baggy jeans just because it's easy. Like, I don't have to think about it too much. And I'm comfortable in case we eat. I don't think we're eating. Like, I think it's just like we're just gathering to like gather. So yeah, because I don't really know like what we're gathering to do. Like, I'm just like, let me bring comfortable clothes just in case, like, just in case food is there, just in case, you know.
Oh, give me these stars. But you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment for life. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me.
good time. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Loving you, but don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. I'm a little back at this street. Open up, make us feel well. Yeah, my love one. We make a bad man sing.
Whilst I'm watching this, I'm going to water my plants because I need to water all of them. I have not watered them. Richard has been plant daddy for the last plant daddy uncle for the last couple weeks. So it's my turn.
You ready, my love?
You're stepping on my plant.
Oh, sorry.
What are you doing, babe? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that Richard's bathroom? Was that Richard's spray?
Your whole place.
Welcome back to my channel. So we just got back from Lorenzo's grandma's house. It was a great time. We ate, we chatted, we kikied, we did all the things. And now we're back home. About to put on my shorts. And I need to do my bed. Oh, they just hate when you have to do your bed sheet. And the thing is, I've already committed to taking off the sheets and I have to put them back on. I should have done it when he was here, to be honest. So then he can do it, not me. It is Monday morning at around 6 a.m. I am heading out for my walk, but before we go for a walk, I need to do my laundry because I hate soloing things and not doing things at the same time, causing me to waste time. So that means I have to come home, then do my laundry. I'm gonna leave. Also, I've got a Spot to say hi to. What's her name? Say hi to Shirley the Spot because I don't even know. But anyways, so I'm gonna try and do 2 birds with 1 stone.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with them bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that.
Good morning everyone. We are outside. Like I said, it took me like a good 20 minutes to get my life together, but we are outside. The sky looks gloomy, as you can see, like it's giving grey. So this walk is gonna be short, okay? We're not doing no, you know, looking, I don't know, smelling the roses. No, we're walking out and we're walking in. Oh, there's one down there. We're walking out and we're walking in because it's gonna rain soon. Even the app says it's gonna rain. It's gonna be a rainy day today, so happy to be inside, to be honest. I went to the tax agency because they messed up my taxes, and I'm gonna clean because I'm like, the morning is young. It's 8:08 in the morning, so I'm like, I need to spend the next hour really locked in. They said wait time is 2 to 2.5 hours. Can you believe it? Like, I can't, but here we are. So I think I'm gonna start with my makeup brushes because I haven't washed them in a while. I know, dirty me, but start with makeup brushes, then just start cleaning up just areas of this place. I'm thinking, do I wash my wig first and then wash the bath, or do I just wash the bath? My wig won't make a difference, will it?
since we kicked it, you've been caught up with them bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love. Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with them bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. People, I'm coming at you from up here.
Anyways, I just got off the phone to my naturopath. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy. Oh my gosh, that was very dizzy. But yeah, I got off the phone to my naturopath and she was like, I told her about my day-to-day eating routine. And you know how I told you, like, I have Greek yogurt and my granola every morning. She told me I need to up my Greek yogurt. So she said, you need to be having a cup of Greek yogurt every morning. Have you seen what a cup looks like? This is a cup. Bro, that is a lot of Greek yogurt. Maybe I'm under eating. And I also decided to drink water out of a wine glass. Why? Because I'm celebrating that I don't have to pay, like, in Jesus' name, oh my gosh. That I don't have to pay for, like, the notice of assessment that they gave me is wrong and I don't have to pay for it. So, chink, clink, clink. Actually, do you know what? It's bad luck to clink with water. So, unclink.